Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to effectively learn a language. Here are some tips to help you learn a language more effectively or efficiently. 1. Set clear achievable goals. Start by defining why you want to learn the language and set specific measurable goals. This could be mastering basic conversational skills, passing a proficiency test, or being able to read a book in that language. 2. Immerse yourself. Immersion is one of the best ways to learn a language. Surround yourself with the language as much as possible, like listen to music, podcasts or radio stations, watch TV shows, movies or YouTube videos, or read books, articles or blogs. Also, consistency is key. Dedicate a set amount of time each day to practice. Even 15 to 30 minutes a day can make a significant difference over time. Try to focus on all aspects of the language: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Also, finally, you can use language apps like Duolingo, Babbel, and Memrise or HelloTalk. They can help you practice vocabulary and grammar. Many apps offer gamified learning, which keeps things fun and engaging. Some apps even have speaking features that allow you to practice pronunciations. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.